students, I hope you all are safe at your home. So today in this video we are going to learn what are subject and predicate, and we are going to solve an exercise regarding that topic. Alright, so what is subject? A subject is a part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about. Okay, so subject means of what are we talking about. ठीक है, मेन थिंग क्या है सेंटेंस का, किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ सब्जेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज़ प्रेडिकेट? प्रेडिकेट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, what activity is the subject doing is included in predicate part. समझ में आया? सब्जेक्ट क्या है, सेंटेंस किसके बारे में है वो बताना है, एंड प्रेडिकेट सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्रेडिकेट. So here we have a very small exercise D of your English textbook of chapter number 6. You have exercise. Okay, so match subject in column A with predicates from column B to form meaningful sentences. So यहाँ पे जो column A है वो सारे subject है and column B is predicate. So what we have to do, we have to match with the correct sentences. Alright, so let us begin. Number 1 is pod. Answer is C, are comfortable and clean. Number 2, the airport is usually a crowded place. Number 3, the pilot D landed the plane safely. Number 4, the school A was closed for the summer holidays. Number 5, the soldiers, answer is B, guarded the palace and the town. So you have, I have written the answers 1, C, 2, E, 3, D. You have to write in this form in your textbook. कोई मैच नहीं करेगा, मैच करते तो it looks very untidy. Yes, so you will write in this form, all right, and write it with the pencil in your English textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.